Hello guys, welcome to Codaway. In this video, we will learn how to add the animation on scroll to your web page. We will be doing that using AOS library. It's so simple. Let's see how to do that. This is the web page we are going to work on now. So you can see that I have not added any animation here. It's just a simple web page. Before adding the animation, let me explain the code for this web page. Only then you can understand the example properly. So okay, let's go to the code. So here is the code. So let's see, in the body tag I have a heading, so that reads animation on scroll, and then we have three sections: section 1, section 2 and section 3. I just named it in the comments. So here in each section there are two child elements. That is, one is the div tag with the name text, and the next one is the image tag. So I have pasted the same content in all the sections. You can see here. Just in the section 2, I just changed the order of the child elements. That's it. So all of them are the same. Okay, so let's see the style for the section. So here I gave the width to 100%. That's so it will occupy the whole width of the browser, and height is 100 viewport height. That's whole height of the browser. So why I did it like so. On scrolling, so it will go to the next section. On scrolling, then it will go to the next section, so that we can just see the example very properly, and that's why I did that. Okay, then I made the display. I made the section to display as flex. So you can see here, this section is split into two. So it has two child elements, right? So one is one occupies the 50% space, and another one occupies the other 50%. So this can be done by making the display as flex, and also you can see here I made the child elements with 50%. So that's so in while making the section display flex, the child elements are like placed next to next, and I gave 50% to each child element, and that's why it is like occupying equally in a nice manner. So that's why I did this. Okay, so now we are going to add the animation for the whole section or for the image or something like this. Okay, let me go to the Chrome and type sorry. Okay, so I'm going to type AOS, it says animation on scroll, and we are going to use the animation on scroll library. So here you can see a GitHub, and just click that. So this is a GitHub repository, and here you will be given the instruction how to use it. The first thing is add styles in head tag. So we are going to link this style sheet in our code. So in the head tag I am linking it. Okay, and the next thing is add script tag before closing body tag. So I'm just copying this and paste it before the closing body tag. So okay, so here I'm going to paste this. Fine. So the next thing is we are going to use it. So look, so if it is a div tag, then we have to add an attribute named data AOS, and add how we want the animation to. So you can see here, I'm scrolling down, you can see the animations. You can have a fade animations, flip animations, slide animations, and so there are many animations you can add. So for this web page, let me add. So for the first section, I am going to add data AOS equals. So this is the attribute, and I am going to add zoom in. So I think this is right. Yeah, okay, fine. I saved it, and let me see. So you can see We need not scroll to see the first part of the web page, right? So on loading it, the animation comes. And likewise I am going to add for the images of the web page. So the images for the section 2 and section 3. So let me go here. So here I am going to give data AOS, and it is slide. I want it to come from slide right. So slide right, and likewise here I want it to slide from left. Okay, fine. So let's see how the example looks. So it's the last thing. See, it's zoomed. You can see here. So it's the pictures are sliding from right and left, everything. So you can see that on zooming you can see some, on refreshing you can see the scroll bar here, because it is like it is slided from the right or left from some distance. From some distance it is coming, and hence scroll bar is visible. So you can just hide it here. So in body tag you just hide the overflow X to hidden. So this will work now. So on scrolling, wait, let me refresh it, and you can see that the pictures slide from left and right, but you cannot see any scroll bar like that. Okay, so it's fine. So you can see the pictures are sliding like in very fast, and you can change this in the attributes itself. So you can see data is offset, so from how much distance you need the sliding to come. For everything, for all the animations, you will have some distance, right? So you can decide it here. And then data is delay. So if you want the animation to happen after 1 second, 2 seconds after scrolling, then you can mention here. So now I'm going to use the data is duration. So it's 1000, right? So by default it has some default value, but now I'm going to give it 1 second. So the duration of the animation will be 1 second, so 1000 millisecond, and that's what. Okay, and here I also do this. Okay, fine. So let's see how it looks. So let me go to the first page, and so it's just the home page. You can see the image slider slowly. It takes 1 second to slide. So this is what. Also you have many options here. You can just change it as you like, and you also have many many instructions on how to use. You can customize your own animations, everything, and just use it as it is. So this is what the video about. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get my new video updates. Thank you.